Well, there was more than just brakes failing in this. There was a maintenance schedule that was not followed. There was thrifty owners and lazy truck drivers who don't maintain their equipment and don't keep their trucks in tip-top working order. They need to jail these people for failing to spend the money on maintaining their equipment in fine working condition. There's no excuses for brakes to fail because there's multiple brakes in these trucks and there's multiple brakes in cars as well. So it's not just, you're not allowed to just have the excuse of saying something like brakes fail. Well, how can all the brakes fail at the same time? Yeah, we're just constantly lied to over and over and over, and these videos are being used as that's sufficient enough to fix the problem, but the problem never gets fixed. These industries keep paying low wages, they keep squirreling away all of the profits of these trucks that are being driven around the city and around the planet. And they just think it's acceptable that they're going to scream when something happens. Well, no. Pull your truck off the road and clean it up, give it a wash. Check the brakes before you go driving. You've got to maintain your professional standards. You know, your standards of being professionals is zero. It's just pathetic. These lovely, nice people would have been ruined for life just based on your thriftiness and your extreme Scrooge behaviour. We don't like Scrooge people who are in charge of potential huge weights of rolling metal going down the road. There are nice, innocent people on buses, on school buses that need protecting. You know, stop yelling and screaming and start maintaining your trucks. You know, you've been shown what to do by the professionals in the Blue Angels. You've got to do it too. Before you get in your truck, you inspect everything in your truck. Yeah, people had to do that with the steam trains. You've got to do it with your truck, you lazy son of a bitch.